Hey, I'm Jasmine with WTI, and I want to show you this adorable floral maternity dress I got for my baby shower. I love how flowy it is. The material is so incredibly silky soft, and I love that you can wear it either off the shoulder or on the shoulder. So if you don't have a strapless bra, you can wear a regular one and it'll look fine. You can also adjust the sleeves to make them look more puffy or flatter. It also has a nice modest slit that goes down one side of the leg, and the material is just very silky soft, very nicely put together. The stitching is really high quality. I love the smocked look of the dress and the fact that you can also adjust that top part with those strings. So if you're looking for a comfy maternity dress that is nice and flowy, really nice quality fabric that is going to look super flattering, definitely check this one out. You're gonna love it, and that's my point of view.